No, I mean, I met Dr. Miller years ago. I had met him. I was doing some work downtown, and there were a lot of police down there. I didn't know what they were doing, and Dr. Miller was being handcuffed for soliciting prostitution and drug dealing. And I was very upset about it. I helped him go to a homeless shelter. Once we got him to the homeless shelter, he met his wife, and she poured him a nice bowl of soup. And we got him off the crack. And after that, he's been pretty good. The methamphetamines really knocked his teeth out quite a bit, but we got that fixed also. So I think we got a pretty solid situation going on right now for Dr. Miller.
Excellent. Is it rewarding to see how far he's come?
It really is. I mean, the marks in his arm were unbelievable. It was just very embarrassing, but it was the prostitution that really, between the drugs and the sex, he was a shell of himself.
It's good you get that.